Hey, 7th grade, one last thing I forgot to do on these notes, but it'll be quick. I was taking a look at your homework, and they're going to ask you to name different parts of the solids that you're dealing with. Not like edges and vertices, something a little bit different. So for example, I'm going to hop real quick back to, I'm going to look at the square pyramid that we named here. So for example, if I were to label each vertex here, I might call this P, maybe that's Q, maybe this over here is R, S, and T. Okay, just like we do for 2D shapes, you can name 3D shapes with letters. So for example, if I asked you to tell me what SP was, you might say that SP is a line segment. I would also accept line for that one. The reason it's a line segment is because it stops right here. If it was a line, it would continue forever. You would see arrows on the ends of those. But since there's no arrows there, it's a line segment. If you're dealing with, let's say we're dealing with our cylinder here, okay, and this is, R, and I asked you to tell me, well, what does R represent? You would say that R is the radius. Okay, so that's all it's asking you to do in the homework. So when you see that, don't get freaked out. Just name, well, what part of the shape, do these letters represent.